In this video, I tested how TNT minecarts can affect Ender Pearl's velocities, and I discovered something crazy. Okay, so I am Sub, and I think I found a breakthrough with Ender Pearl cannons. So whenever I flick this lever, it will spawn an Ender Pearl, and there's a rail that's also connecting to this. So let's just place one rail. Now let's see how long it takes. Like, it should land somewhere in this distance. Perfect. If I do that again, it should land in the exact same spot. Yes, it will always land exactly on this chunk border, which is a really cool coincidence. It travels exactly one chunk. But now, whenever I place two TNT minecarts, we're going to try it again. It should land somewhere in between here. So if you time it correctly, it will land right here. Cool, so it'll land right there. So if I do the test again, it should land in the exact same spot, right here. Yes, in the middle of these two blocks, which is a really cool discovery. So now we're going to try and find out the distance for 3 TNT minecarts. Should land somewhere in between here. Yes, it lands exactly right here. Around this time, I started taking note of my findings to determine if there was some sort of pattern that emerges when adding more TNT minecarts. Specifically, I wanted to find out how adding more or less TNT minecarts would affect the distance it landed from the machine and the distance from its last landing point. But what I found was so crazy. I'm thinking I test one more minecart because I feel like I'm getting really close to the actual number. Oh my god. Just to clarify, the number that's not in brackets is the distance from the machine, and the number that is in brackets is the distance from its last landing point. So get this, okay? Subtract the second number from the third number. What do you get? You get, let's do this, okay? 44 minus 35, which is equal to 9, okay? So 3 minus 2 will equal to 9, all right? 4 minus 3 equals 4. So the three numbers we have are 16, 9, and 4. Okay, so this is really complicated, so bear with me. The reason why I say the three numbers we have are 16, 9, and 4 is because the distance from here to here is 16. So the distance from the machine using one TNT minecart is 16, minus the distance from the machine using 0 TNT minecarts, which is 0, is 16. So the first number we have is 16. So for the second number, I did not subtract the first number from the second number. I just took the distance from the second number, 51.5, and subtracted it from these three numbers to determine what our next number will be. And considering there's a pattern going down from 4 squared to 3 squared to 2 squared, we can assume that from number 5 to number 4 will be equivalent to this minus 1. 50.5 blocks away from here. So that if I did another 50.5, I can predict that this is where the 6th pearl, if I use 6 TNT minecarts, is going to land. We're going to go set it up right now. Alright, let's go to the distance we need to go to. Okay. Oh my god! That's crazy! And if I go to 7 TNT minecarts, should be one of these 3 blocks. Dude, I need to go test this. Okay, so that's 7 TNT minecarts. Oh my god. It's accurately, now it is possible to accurately pull off my daedalus laberynth escape. This is literally insane. Now all I need to do is find out how to time the pearl and explosion correctly. Great, that's gonna be so easy, yeah!